In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use indicators in GoCharting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find indicators, how to browse them by category, and how to quickly apply the ones you need for your trading or analysis. Start by opening the GoCharting website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, head to the top navigation and click on Products. From there, choose Charts. This takes you straight to the charting terminal where all the tools and studies live. On the chart screen, look to the upper right corner for the three dots menu. This menu holds a lot of useful options. Click it, then select Indicators. That opens the indicator panel, which is where you'll turn studies on and off and explore everything that's available. Inside the panel, click on Study. Think of studies as the full library of tools you can layer onto your chart. You'll see sections organized by type, so it's easy to find what you're after. Favorites is where your go-to tools live. When you find an indicator you use often, mark it so it shows up here for one-click access later. It's a simple way to keep your workspace fast and consistent. Candle patterns includes automatic candlestick detections, helping you highlight common formations right on the chart. It's useful for quickly spotting potential reversals or continuations without manually scanning every bar. Financials is most relevant when you're charting stocks. It lets you bring in company-related data, which can complement your technical view with context from fundamentals. Futures and options offer studies designed for derivatives, such as tools that focus on positioning and market structure. If you work with these markets, this section helps you align your chart with the instruments you trade. Momentum includes popular studies that measure the strength and speed of price moves. If you're looking for confirmation of trend continuation or signs of fading strength, start here. Order flow focuses on volume-driven insight. Studies in this section help you see how buyers and sellers are interacting, which can add depth to your entries, exits, and risk levels. Oscillators help you visualize overbought and oversold conditions, as well as potential divergences. They're great for timing within broader trends identified elsewhere. Overlay contains studies that sit directly on price, like moving averages or other price-based tools. Just browse, find what you want, and click to apply it to your chart. Finally, templates give you ready-made combinations of indicators. They're helpful when you want a complete setup in one move. That's it. Open charts, use the three dots to access indicators, click study, browse the categories, and apply what you need.